module, which is a simple module, low-cost module that adapts the QTC Plus and Spectrum kits so they accept the input from the wireless time and temperature transmitter, the XTERNA. It's a really simple kit, and I thought it would be easiest to make a quick video showing you how you assemble it. I've laid out all the parts. First of all, I've already pre-trimmed this wire. This is the antenna wire. I've trimmed it to 17 centimeters and stripped off a little bit of the insulation for a couple of millimeters. So let's go ahead and tin that so that we can solder it to the circuit board later. If you've seen any of my other videos, I really like to use a little bit of blue tack on the desk. It's a great tool, low cost tool, just for holding things in place whilst you solder. That's it. And we put that to one side. Right, let's solder the connectors that attach the CY18 receiver module to the circuit board. So we put one connector at the far end and the other connector at the near end. And then the matching holes. So it tends to want to fall over and not sit nicely. So what we do is put a little bit of solder on one pad and anchors it. Now we can go back in and re-wet the pad and adjust it. That's it. So it sits quite nicely like that. And then go ahead, solder the remaining 2, 3 pads. That's it. Jack connector, solder one pad first. Place the jack in place. And wet the pad and attach it, and we can do the rest. That's it. Okay, then the last component, the antenna. I found that it's best to actually solder the antenna on the back of the circuit board here. Just wet the pad. Attach. That's it. And the final step, we loop that around. Slide the insulation over. Slightly just the position of that loop. Okay, that's it. And get a hot air gun. There you go, and that's finished.